Do you want to make $10,000 per month in passive income? If so, watch this video until the very end for all the tips, tricks, and secrets of the rich. Welcome to Cuzza Finance. I am Cuzza, and today I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 per month in passive income with these easy steps to your financial freedom. Pause this video, grab a notepad and pen because this is going to be a good one. Continue watching until the end of the video because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: is this your first time developing a passive income, or have you already built one and are looking to build more? Tell me about your passive income journey in the comments below. I'm looking forwards to reading them. Step 1. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, there are hundreds of videos about passive income on YouTube with, quote, financial gurus teaching you how to make $1 million a month passively, then proceeding to sell you a $6,000 course which leads you into some multi-level marketing scheme. Firstly, stay away from these videos because they will draw you into a toxic environment, using you to their benefit. You are treated like a sheep and taught complete and utter rubbish. We're not about that here. I like to be completely transparent and tell you the truth about how to actually make $10,000 per month passively. If you want to develop a passive income stream, you need one of two things: time or money. If you have time but don't have any money, then this video is for you. If you have money but don't have any time, then I recommend checking out my video on how to make over $1 million in the stock market tax-free. It is linked in the video description below and is more suited to your circumstances. The amount of time you put into developing a passive income stream is directly correlated to how much money you make. You need to follow these steps. This way, you will not make the same mistakes I made when developing my first passive income stream. Step 1. Build an audience. Building an audience is vital if you want to make money passively, and here is why. You could have the most amazing product on Shopify dropshipping or a brilliant t-shirt design for your online Etsy shop, but if you don't have an audience to sell these products to, then nobody will buy it from you because nobody trusts you and nobody knows who you are. This is the cold, hard truth I learnt when I opened my first Shopify clothing store. I spent months developing t-shirt designs every day, from the early hours of the morning to the late evening. Do not repeat the same mistakes I made by not building an audience first. You can build an audience on Instagram and Twitter, but I believe the only place where you can really connect with people and develop a strong bond with your audience is YouTube. We can use YouTube as a starting point to bridge the gap between different passive income streams. Building an audience on YouTube by identifying a niche, using your time to post high quality videos every single day, and engage with people in that niche on different social media sites like Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. This will require lots of time and effort, but if you really want to succeed in developing multiple income streams, then sacrifices need to be made. Step 2. Take advantage of YouTube videos and the description below. Once you have built up your audience, proceed to promoting your personal brand and products. Talk about your products in YouTube videos and include them in the video descriptions. Really engage with your YouTube audience and express your passion. Being genuine gives you an advantage. Step 3. Utilize all methods of making money online. Continue promoting your products on YouTube. This will indeed make you money each month. However, if you want to reach $10,000 per month, more needs to be done. I want you to go and sell your products on Shopify, Amazon FBA, Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy. Continue to build your personal brand and promote your products on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, a blog, and Spotify podcasts. Go and create an online course within your niche on Udemy and Skillshare. Direct all of your YouTube audience to these sites by including links in the description of all of your videos. As time progresses and you become more established across all of these platforms, start to scale your income. Once you've made your first $100 passively, then $1,000 passively, $10,000 passively, and $100,000 passively, there is no limit. It's completely scalable, and you will be paid months, if not years, into the future. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." To recap, work every day building up your audience and presence on YouTube before you go out and develop your income streams. This will benefit you because when you have created your product, people will begin to buy it immediately and frequently, producing you passive income while you sleep. Step 2. Take advantage of your YouTube videos and the descriptions below. Please use your YouTube videos and descriptions below to your advantage. You are allowed up to 5,000 characters per description, so include everything. Make it detailed and be genuine with what you are saying. Step 3. Utilize every single platform mentioned in step 3. And if you can think of any more, drop a comment below. As a community, we can build something together. I want you to express your opinions and ideas in the Cuzza Finance community. Let's make this community where innovation takes place. A real prosperous environment. Secret tip. If you have been watching this video up until this point, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. Consistency. Completing steps 1, 2, and 3 are great. However, you need to repeat this process every single day for the method to be effective. Schedule your day and make this a priority. If your friends are going to a party, respectfully decline and stay behind. Work on developing your passive income streams. Yes, you will lose friends as you begin to develop a money-motivated mindset. It's simple. The majority of the population do not understand the hustle, and they never will. Developing passive income streams will provide you with opportunities that these friends will never have because they simply do not have the capital and the resources you have spent years of your life developing. You will make new friends on a new level. This is the harsh reality for those who settle in life. So never settle. Go where you are treated best and wake up every morning knowing that while you slept, you did something only 1% of the population has the ability to do. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to make $10,000 per month passively. Just remember, this information is completely free. I'm not trying to sell you anything, and I genuinely believe everyone has the chance to become a millionaire. And this is just one of the many methods out there. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the description box below. If you have not already, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more. Cheers guys, and see you next time.